Let me ask you something. Have you searched on Google recently? I mean, really searched. Because if you have, you've probably noticed something strange. You type a question, and boom, Google answers it instantly. No websites, no scrolling, no clicks. And if you're a website owner, marketer, affiliate, or business owner, that should scare you a little. Over 80% of searches today are becoming zero-click. That means people get their answers directly from Google's AI overviews without ever visiting your site. So even if you rank number 1, you could still be invisible. For years, SEO was simple. Rank high, get traffic, convert traffic into leads and sales. But now, Google isn't ranking pages the same way anymore. It's selecting answers. And if your content isn't structured in a way that Google's AI can pull, summarize, and trust, you slowly disappear. I learned this the hard way. After AI overviews rolled out, I watched traffic drop. At first, I thought, okay, just another update. So I did what everyone says to do. More content, more backlinks, more optimization. Nothing worked. Then I noticed something interesting. Some websites were getting mentioned inside AI overviews even when they weren't ranking first. That's when it clicked. Google isn't just ranking pages, it's extracting answers. And that's exactly why I want to show you something powerful today. It's called AI Traffic Hijackr. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another SEO tool, hear me out. This isn't about backlinks, it's not about keyword stuffing, and it's definitely not about outdated SEO tactics. AI Traffic Hijackr is built specifically for the new reality of search. Here's how it works. Step 1. You enter your keyword. The system scans Google and shows you exactly what AI overviews are displaying and which websites are being referenced. No guessing, no assumptions. Step 2. It identifies content gaps. It shows you what authority signals are missing, what structure Google prefers, and what your content needs to compete. And step 3, with one click, it generates AI-ready answer blocks, structured, clear, optimized for summarization. You literally copy, paste, and publish. Now imagine this. Instead of fighting for position number 1, you position yourself inside the AI answer itself. That's visibility where attention actually is. And here's the crazy part. You don't even need massive backlinks to get started because AI Traffic Hijackr focuses on structure, clarity, and answer formatting, the patterns Google's AI is already pulling from. And if you're a freelancer or agency owner, this gets even better. Businesses are desperate right now. They know traffic is dropping. They know AI is changing search, but they have no idea how to adapt. People are charging $500, $1,000, even $2,000 per month for AI SEO services. And this tool comes with a commercial license, so you can use it for your own sites or turn it into a recurring income stream. And right now, during the launch period, it's available for a one-time price. No monthly fees, no complicated setup. And it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So really, there's no risk. Look, Google has already changed. That's not speculation, that's reality. The only question is, will your website be part of the answers, or will it slowly fade into digital silence? If you're serious about staying ahead, if you want your content structured for the AI era, if you want visibility where users are actually looking, then check out AI Traffic Hijackr. Click the link below, explore it for yourself, and see if it makes sense for your strategy. And as always, test it, measure it, make informed decisions. Because the future of search belongs to those who adapt early. I'll see you on the inside.